So Starbucks drive-thru is right here on the left. That's our signal for a car coming behind us. And there's the Dunkin' Donuts drive-thru. We could have joined the bike path by turning down that street, but we're actually gonna dead end into it. Okay, since we're out in the real world, we are be paying attention to stop signs and such. There's a couple bumps coming on this little stretch here. We'll do our best to avoid them. One of these days we're going to bring orange spray paint and spray paint them. There's one of them. There's two of them. Oh, that wasn't too bad. Always see some wildlife along here. Mostly birds. Haven't seen a gator yet. This is the north side of Daniels Parkway, heading west. So we're, oh, bump. Oh, big bump. Oh. So we're heading towards the Gulf of Mexico. No cars coming, clear line of sight. There was one bird. We're 3 miles into our journey now. Ooh, little bump there. I think we're past all the bumps now. This is one little section. There's a little duck was out there, heron hunting, and always make noise at the beginning and end of this. Because it's not super narrow, but if you did encounter somebody, you'd want them to see you. Okay, we're back in the clear again. Nothing coming. About typical of traffic. nice they have all these bike paths. You can ride on the edge of the street if you want, but it's definitely not in my program. No bike path means I don't go there. We got a green light here, so we're just going to proceed with caution. So you can get to Walmart without having to cross any major streets except for one. And you can usually cross it somewhere along the way. I'll show it to you later. But for now, we came down Palomino south, traveling on Daniels Parkway West. And we're going to turn right, which is north, at the first intersection. How's my light working?
Alright, it ain't that bright.
I can turn it brighter. I didn't want to blind you with it. Oh, there's your light. That's pretty cool. I'm going to slow down and get behind you so I can get your light on camera. There's Crystal. She's got the blinking strobe. For some reason, mine wouldn't do the red blink. It's got to be the white blink. I don't know, and they're the exact same lights, so go figure. Chinese manufacturing, probably. No quality control. Okay, there's the bird. We call this Bird Bridge. Hey, bird. The next one usually has turtles. And what would you call it? You got it. Turtle Bridge. We're still cruising along at 14 miles an hour, which is our normal cruise speed. Is there any turtles? There is a couple turtles over there. I filmed them before. Anyhow, if you want to do some turtle watching, that's the bridge. Now we're headed down 6 Mile Cypress towards the slough. So we're going to go north on 865. We're going north on 6 Mile Cypress, which is also called Ben C. Pratt. And as you notice, we didn't have to wait for any crossings. That's because I planned this out. The next thing we're going to do is cross the street. So instead of doing it at a light, we're going to cross it somewhere in between here and Colonial. Colonial is the next big intersection, which is busy, busy, busy. Busier than Daniels Parkway by far. At least as busy, but so Crystal, we're going to cross this highway, so we get on the Walmart side of the road, so we don't have to do it at an intersection, because we know there is bike paths on both sides of the road. And whenever I get stopped, I'm going to make my blinker bright like crystals. It's good to be like crystal. Isn't that right? Yes, it is. Okay. As you can see, traffic thins out occasionally on this road. And we knew that in advance. That's why we're going to cross it when traffic is thinned out. Crystal's hauling ass today. We must have a tailwind. Do we got a headwind or a tailwind? I'll cross whenever you say. Yes, we can cross here. Well, no, keep going, keep going, keep going. You got a herd of cars coming. I guess we could have anyway. You can usually get a pretty good slack section.